Hey Carter, hope your vacation's going well. So the reason I'm recording this for you is because, like, I've been looking around my family's house since we moved in, and as you can see, there's some panels in front of me. There's very clearly, like, a room or something behind those. So I figured I'd record to show you what's behind them. I mean, we're both in for a surprise, I guess, because I don't know what's back there. And last time I checked, these things were pretty loose. Anyway, here goes nothing. Hope I don't get in trouble for this. Whoa, look at that. I'll be honest, I was not expecting something to actually be back here. Dude, is that like an old radio or something? That's pretty cool. Wait, what? I didn't expect there to be like an entire staircase. How deep does this go? Okay, this is making less and less sense. What? So I'm just as confused as you are, because the old owners must have like blocked this off or something. I don't even think my parents know about this. This really just keeps going. Oh, that scared the crap out of me. What the frick? How did that even turn on by itself? What the frick? So I've been walking for like, I don't know, like 3 minutes, and yeah, I don't know what to say. I used to be in like what looked like the back room of my house, and now I'm in an office building. Yeah, I'm just not gonna ask questions anymore. somebody been living down here? I think I'm gonna die down here.